Welcome back to Ingezo Education zonke zizojikelele yonke indawo. In this video we'll be focusing on what now? We'll be focusing on Eastern Cape, September 2023. Yes, question number 2 of paper 1, which is nature of roots now. So in this video we're given what? Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So we're given f of x equals to how much? Ax squared minus 3x plus 2 there. And then we're given what? The discriminant is equals to how much? 6. So, which is you're just going to say what now? Discriminant is equals to b squared minus 4ac, which is you're going to have how much? 6 is equals to how much? The value of a is equals to how much? A. The value of b is equals to how much? Negative 3. And the value of c is equals to how much? 2 there. Nice. Which is you're going to have negative 3 all squared minus 4 into how much? Into a plus 2 there. Yes, let me just fix. Let me just fix the 2. Nice. Which is you're going to have 6 is equals to how much? Yes. Nice. We're going to have 6 is equals to how much? 9 minus how much? Minus 8a. Nice. 9 minus 8a. Then we're going to have how much now? 6 minus 9 is equals to negative 8a, which is we're going to have how much now? Negative 3 is equals to how much? Negative 8. Nice. A divided by negative 8. Divide by negative 8, divide by negative 8. This one and this one. Therefore, a will be equals to how much? 3 divided by 8. Nice. So that was just the value of a. Nice. Then 2.2 now it says, hence without solving the equation, describe the nature of roots. Hence without solving the equation, just describe the nature of roots there. Nice. So remember, this was what? This was question, how much now? Question 2.1. Now we get to what? Question 2.2. They said hence. Now remember that we had what? NB. Remember that we had what? Our discriminant is equal to how much? 9 minus how much? 8a. Remember from this question, discriminant, what we solved here is equals to 9 minus 8a. So we are going to have how much now? 9 minus 8 into 3 divided by 8, which is, okay, let me make it visible, which is going to have how much? This one and this one will divide each other. Then we'll be left with how much? 9 minus 3, which is 6, which is the roots are real. Irrational. And unequal. zonke izizojikelele yonke indawo. Thank simple. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.